Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error message that says, not all of the updates were successfully uninstalled in Windows. The first thing you can try is restarting your computer and then running the uninstall again. Sometimes the update files are still in use, and a restart releases them. If that does not work, try using Windows in safe mode. To do this, press the Windows key, type msconfig, and open System Configuration. Under the Boot tab, check Safe Boot and restart. Once in safe mode, go back to Settings, open Update and Security, choose View Update History, and uninstall the update from there. Safe mode often makes the uninstall process work without errors. If nothing works, another fix you can try is running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This tool can automatically find and repair problems with updates. To use it, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then choose Update and Security and select Troubleshoot. From there, click on Additional Troubleshooters and pick Windows Update. Run the troubleshooter and let it scan your system. If it finds an issue, it will try to fix it on its own. After the scan is complete, restart your computer and then try uninstalling the update again. This method can clear out problems that block the uninstall process. These methods usually solve the problem quickly. Restart your computer after each fix to make sure the update is gone. Thanks for watching.